This book is Daniel's Sweet Trip to the Bakery. Hi, neighbor. I'm so glad you're here. We are at Baker Acres Bakery. We are going to surprise my mom and make her some banana bread. It's her favorite treat. What ingredients do we need for banana bread? Baker Acre asked me. We need bananas. First we peel 2 bananas and then we mash them up, says Baker Acre. Mash, mash, mash. Next my dad adds the milk. Then I get to count the eggs. 1, 2. My dad cracks the eggs. And Baker Acre adds the flour. Now it's my turn to mix everything together. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing can be messy and so much fun. Mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to add 3 shakes of spicy cinnamon into the bowl. Shake, shake, shake. What else should we add? The last ingredient is a little love, says Baker Acre. Everyone blows a kiss into the room. Kiss, kiss, kiss. I pour the mixture into a pan. It's shaped like a heart to show Mom how much we love her. Then Baker Acre puts the pan into the oven. Now we just have to wait for the banana bread to bake. Waiting is hard, but I know what we can do. We can make believe that the cookies, cakes, and other things in the bakery can sing and dance with us. Is the banana bread ready yet? The whole bakery smells delicious. Ding goes the oven. It's ready. Baker Acre places the banana bread in a box and adds a purple ribbon. It's perfect. Now my dad and I can take it home. Thanks, Baker Acre. Baking with Baker Acre was so much fun. Have you ever made something special for someone? Making something is one way to say I love you. Thank you for helping me bake today. Aga maga. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Daniel Tiger mashes the banana.